Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. As you guys can see, my profit is $65.11. That's no here or there. We're trading the ticker symbol Amazon, which is AMZN, and this is my live account, as you can tell. Today was a crazy day. If you see, we had an amazing run up today. I know I wasn't able to capitalize on everything because I was only able to trade in the morning time, and when I came back after hours, I was like, oh my god, this actually shot up $234 or 7.93%. It's just absolutely insane. Now the goal as a trader isn't to try and capture the full scope of the entire trading day, because what if it just went up a little bit and then it started going down, and then you find yourself in the red. So that's the point. At least we were able to profit on the day, and that's all that matters. If we take a look here at NQ, you can see that this is the future, the Nasdaq future. It actually made the same exact move as Amazon. You can see it's very parabolic right here. And yeah, let me just show you my how I actually made my profits for today, and let's just move along from there. So if I take a look here, let's go to the 1 minute chart here. I'm just gonna enable this right here. So I was only able to trade a little bit in the morning from the market open. You guys can see I was able to capture this bar right here, but usually I wait, like I did right here. Usually I wait for the reversal here after the bounce, and I capitalize over here. We got in 10 shares and then we got out 10 shares, so pretty much I was able to get back in a little bit later on from here to here. 3, 13, 40, 14, 31, 14, yeah, and then I sold at 31.17, which is just absolutely crazy. And then it just continued running for the whole day. Today was just absolutely insane. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, how did you guys do for your trading day today. Today's July 20th, and yeah, we're still profiting, and we're trying to keep this as consistent as possible, no matter how large or small your profits are going to be. As long as you stay in the green, that's all that matters. And yeah, you're just able to grow your account to a substantial amount. That's what we're here to do. I'm just here to showcase my profits and my my financial goal into every step that I take. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below how you guys do. If you have any questions or anything, just let me know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, all that good stuff, man. All that good stuff. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.